Hello friends, I welcome you on my channel. Today I am going to make presentation on my module, that is inorganic qualitative analysis. Especially I am going to talk about the introductory part of this unit. I am Mr. P.D. Kumar, working as assistant professor in chemistry at Rayat Shikshan Samsthas, Professor Dr. N.D. Patil Mahavidyalaya, Malkapur. So inorganic qualitative analysis is one of the units from chemistry paper 7, that is inorganic chemistry, for 4th semester of BSc part 2 for under Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So if we look at the word inorganic qualitative analysis, at first let us split this title into 3 fragments. First is the inorganic, second fragment is qualitative, and third fragment is analysis. Let us at first discuss about the third fragment of this title, that is analysis. If we take dictionary meaning of this word, that is analysis, its meaning is the thoroughly investigation, thoroughly examination, detailed investigation or detailed examination of something. That is meaning of word analysis. If we take into account the meaning of the second fragment of this title, that is qualitative, in chemistry, experiments are performed under 2 headings. The first is the qualitative analysis and second is the quantitative analysis heading. So let us first discuss about the quantitative. Look at the word quantitative. It is related to the quantity. So in quantitative analysis, we are specially related to finding the amount of analyte present in the given substance which is under investigation, which is under experiment. As compared to quantitative analysis, if we look at the word qualitative, the word qualitative is mainly related to the identification of the analyte present in the given substance, which is under investigation, which is under experiment. So this is the meaning of the word qualitative. Now let us think about the first fragment of this title, that is the inorganic. In chemistry, substances are mainly categorized into 2 parts. The first is the organic part, organic substances. Second part, inorganic part, that is the inorganic substances. Organic substances are mainly composed of carbon. That is the main building unit of the organic substances is the carbon. So that's why they are mainly named as carbon compounds. That is organic compounds. If we think about the second part of the substance, that is the inorganic substance, inorganic substances are mainly known as non-carbon compounds. That is the compounds which are lacking carbon. Especially if we talk about inorganic compounds, these are the metal compounds. So if we look at this title, the name of the title, that is inorganic qualitative analysis. Finally, in summary, we can say that inorganic qualitative analysis is the detailed investigation, detailed examination of the inorganic substance, that is the metal compound, metal salt especially. In case of this inorganic qualitative analysis, we are mainly dealing with the finding the basic radical as well as the acidic radical which is present in the given inorganic compound. This kind of analysis is set in the practical syllabus of BSc Part 2. So in case of that particular experiment, we are mainly dealing with finding the acidic part and the basic part of that inorganic substance. So what is meant by acidic part or acidic radical and the basic part or basic radical? We are going to discuss this, that is acidic radical and basic radical, in our next module. So friends, thank you for patient listening. Thank you.